Hello everybody and welcome you all to yet another video of QXL Learning Academy channel. So this video will be the continuation of our phonics lesson. So if you remember, the first part of the phonics lesson was about the letter sounds. So now we will continue with those letter sounds and try to blend them, mix them so that we can try to read the words. In case you have missed seeing the first part of the video, then I'll just give the link in the description box. Do check out that video, part 1 on the letter sounds, so that you will have a better understanding of this second part of the video. So why wait? Let's begin the lesson. You all know the names of the colors, right? But do you know which are the primary colors? Yes, they are red, blue and yellow. So these three colors are called the basic colors or the primary colors, and combining or mixing these colors we can get a variety of different colors. For example, if you mix red and yellow, you will get orange. If you mix blue and yellow, then you can get green. So the combination of these basic colors will give you a very beautiful mix of colors. So like that, in English language, now that you know the different sounds of the letters, you can mix these letters and form new words. So now let's try to blend a vowel and a consonant. So now, while blending the letters, don't use the names of the letters, rather use the sounds of these letters. So A plus D, so don't read it as A and D, use the sounds of this letter. A, D, add. Similarly, gives you N. I, G, ig. Ot, ot. Un. Now that you know the individual sounds and how to blend it, so now let's read some words. Okay, so here goes the first word. Pan. So did you notice something here? P is a consonant, A is a vowel and N is again a consonant. So this type of combination of letters, these are known as the CVC words. Consonant, vowel and consonant. So we have two consonants in either side and we have a vowel in the center. So this is a 3-letter words in the CVC combination. So now let's quickly read some more CVC words. B, E, D, bed. P, I, G, pig. M, A, P, mop. K, A, P, cup. So now when you master blending the sounds of the letters in 2-letter word or a 3-letter CVC word, then you can quickly move on to blending the sounds without individual sounds. So you can blend 2-3 letters together at a time and sound it out. So let's go for it. So here is a chart where you can see the 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U. So now we will try to blend these vowels with the various consonants. But we will not try to sound out the individual sounds of these letters, rather we will combine these two sounds together so that we can be more fluent reader. So let's start with the letter B here. B and A gives me ba. B and E gives me be. B and E gives me B. B and O gives me bo. B and A gives me B. So now here we had individually sounded out the different sounds in those letters. But now let's try without sounding out the individual letters so that we can read it fast and quick. So now I will try to read out the rest of the chart a little bit fast, and you also try reading along with me, okay? So let's start. Ka, ke, ki, ko, k. Da, de, di, do, d. Ga, ge, gi, go, g. Ha, he, hi, ha, ha. La, le, li, l, l. Ma, me, me, m, m. Wasn't that easy? So now let's read some CVC words with the short vowel sound of A. So here goes the words. Cat, cat. Nap, nap. Fan, fan. Ham. Tag, tag. Pad, pad. Cap, cab. Rat, rat. Map, map. So now I'll ask my little one, who is currently in grade 2, to read out the rest of the CVC words with the short sounds of E, I, O and U. So Mishika, are you ready for the words?
Yes.
Okay.
Bed, red, ted, ten, pen, hen, pet, net, wet.
Mishika has already mastered the blending of the sounds, so she is able to read it a little bit fast. But you can slowly first learn blending the sounds, read slowly, and then over the time you can gradually improve your speed and be a fluent reader. These were the CVC words with the short vowel sound of E. So now Mishika will read the rest of the CVC words.
Dig, hip, lip, mix, pig, pin. Top, dog, box, log, pot, cop. Bug, gum, jug, bus, run, mug.
Now Mishika will read some mixed set of words, 2-letter words as well as the 3-letter CVC words.
Can, had, has, an, as, at, add, bit, and, get, her, let, yes, yet, it, if, in, is, did, him, his, fix, not, on, got, for, lot, some, but, us, burn, sun.
Thank you Mishika, that was superb, well done. Okay, so now that you have learned how to blend the letters to form 2-letter words and 3-letter CVC words, so you can practice a lot of worksheets that are easily available online, and you can try to build up more confidence while you try to read. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up, and yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.